So 2 recliner chairs here, really comfortable. This is kind of the ultimate setup for being lazy and watching TV. My whole family absolutely loves this. So let me get comfortable and kind of go over some of the features. So on either side of this, there's buttons for reclining. You got 2 buttons, one for reclining, one for going back. So it reclines very well. It's very quiet when it reclines, and it goes pretty far back, like this far back. So yes, I have taken a couple naps on this. Really nice for that. I think one of my favorite features about this though is that the back rest, or the headrest back here, is actually adjustable. So if I'm just sitting normal like this, you can see my head's pushed a little bit back, and I want it up a little bit more because, you know, I'm watching TV, but all you have to do is just pull it back like that, and then boom, it's adjusted. Or maybe you want to adjust it a little bit more because you're reclined, you can adjust it like this. Really slick for that. And then if you want to go back to the beginning, you just pull it all the way back and then push it back again, and you've got that. So just really nice and comfortable. I do want to mention that this was sent to us so I could make this video. I've tried a lot of similar chairs or sofas, never like a dual one like this before. I'm really impressed with the small things with this, just kind of like the backrest, or having the buttons on the side and you don't have to get a joystick and fumble around with that. Another cool thing about this is this compartment in the middle. It is a big armrest, and you don't have to worry about knocking the other person off or anything like that, but it has this big compartment so you can put remote controls or other things. It does have a couple cup holders with this looks like stainless steel. That's pretty cool. And just the material itself, it's one of those materials kind of like velvety, so when you sit on it, it's instantly warm. It's not like leather where you sit on it and it's cold and you kind of have to warm it up. This feels really nice when you sit on it. It seems very durable. I have 4 young boys and they play on it in ways which we ask them not to, and they shouldn't, but it's been fine. It's never had any issues. As far as setting this up goes, it came in 4 separate boxes, and it did actually take me quite a while to set this up. It probably took me more time just to get everything out of the boxes and throw the boxes away. It came packaged very well so that it didn't get damaged. It does have instructions and all the tools that you need to put everything together. You basically have a bunch of screws that you need to screw to get this unit connected to this, and that's the most difficult part with this. For that, it might be helpful if you have someone else to kind of push everything together. What I ended up doing was stacking it vertically, so it used the weight of each other to kind of hold things together, and then I screwed everything tight. And then these side parts in the back, they just kind of slide and click into place, so it really took about 2 seconds for that. And then you just plug in the cables together and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. So it does recline electronically, so there's a single power cord and pretty quiet motors. It is nice and relaxing, perfect for watching college football on a Saturday afternoon. I just finished spending all day on this thing watching football. This is really comfortable, really nice.